Jill fell in the well. Jill fell in the well. The red hen fell on the net. The red hen fell on the net. Hello, children! Today we're going to read sentences with short "e" words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Just follow this red pointer. Ted has a fat vet. Let's read again. Ted has a fat vet. Now, children, it's your turn. Good job. The pet of Pam is wet. Let's repeat. The pet of Pam is wet. Now, children, it's your turn. Good job. Ken bet Len 10 pence. Let's repeat. Ken bet Len 10 pence. Now it's your turn. That's great. Beg the vet for a red jam. Let's repeat. Beg the vet for a red jam. Now it's your turn. Good job. Jed is not well yet. Let's repeat. Jed is not well yet. It's your turn. That's great. Let Jed rest. Again, let Jed rest. Your turn. Good job. Jack set the net on the bed. Again, Jack set the net on the bed. It's your turn. Good job.